Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me 𝙤𝙤𝙪𝙗𝙚. Today I am going to talk about an epic king in this video. Once upon a time there was a king. He was very rich. He was served by many servants. And he was prized by his people. But he was always sad. His mind was filled with sad thoughts. He was treated by many doctors. Doctors were paid much money by him. They were offered everything to save him. One day, all the wise men were called to make him happy. They all tried to make him happy, but all in vain. A wise man was also called by the king. The king was told the worries of the world by that man. He was advised by the wise man. The king forgot his worries and started thinking about the worries of others. In this way the king was made happy. So this was my today video. Do like our videos and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.